Hi bestie, come with me to Green Park on a pugtastic adventure. Today is the day I've been waiting for. Do you think I look pretty in my shiny raincoat? Oh wow, look, can you see a squirrel hopping? Do you know what I'm most excited about? I'm finally going to see my brother after 5 whole years. I've missed him so much, and I can't wait to give him the biggest pug hug ever. Look at all these adorable pugs. They look like little potatoes and bread loaves, waddling around with their curly tails. Hello, puggies. Can you help me find my brother Patrick? You don't smell like Patrick. OMG, snack time.
See? You don't need to fight. No need to
Yay,
fight.
thanks. Did you guys see my brother here? I must keep looking around.
What raise your leg
But first, can I get another snack, please? So many competitors for snacks. I want a treat. It's my turn. Oh no, she doesn't see me. I need to move forward. Snacky, please. Gotcha. Thanks. Now back to my search. Whee, this is so much fun. But where is my brother? Hold on, can that be him? Patrick, I'm so happy to finally see you. It's been too long. I missed you so much. Oh, hello, my brother's bestie. Nice to meet you. I enjoy playing with you all. Oh, hello, new friend. Let's play together. Yes, more rubs, please. I'm so thirsty from all the running around. Water helps to hydrate my body. Hello, you don't smell like a pug, but you're so cute. Wait, I'm coming with you. I really enjoyed myself today. You guys are pugsome. Thanks for watching my video. Will you join me on my next adventure?